Okay, raise your gift! Wave your gift! Okay, wave so. Pag ikuning move down, wave, wave. Okay. So, our way of exchanging gift is na ako'y basahon ng story. If I say right, you go right, pass your gifts to the right person. If I say left, pass the gift to the left. Okay. And now, the night right before Christmas. The night right before Christmas. So right. Asan yung right? Right. Mana? Okay. And then, in a twinkling, I heard right on the roof. The prancing and pawing of each little right and left hoof. As I drew in my head and was turning around, down the chimney street, Nicholas came with a bound. He was dressed all in fur, from his head right to his foot. And his clothes were all tarnished with ashes and soot. A bundle of toys he had flung right on his back. And he looked like a peddler just opening his pack. His eyes, how they twinkled. His dimples, how merry. How cheeks were like roses. His nose like a cherry. His cheeks were like... His drawn little mouth was drawn right up like a bow. And the beard of his chin was as white as the snow. And the stump of a pipe he held right tight in his teeth. And the smoke it encircled his head like a rat. He had a broad face and a little round belly that shook when he laughed like a bowl full of jelly. He was chubby and a plump, a right jolly old elf. And I laughed when I saw him. In spite of myself, a wink of his left eye and a twist of his head soon gave me to know I had nothing to dread. He spoke not a word, but went straight right to his work. And filled all the stockings, they turned left with a jerk. And laying his left finger aside of his nose, and giving a nod on the chimney, he rose. He sprung right to his sleigh, to his steam gave a whistle, and away all flew like the down of a thistle. But I heard him exclaim, ere he drove right out of the sight. And now, Merry Christmas to all! You may now open your gifts in 3, 2, 1! Open your gifts, everyone! Open! Open, open!